Guys, Joe the Other Guy here today to basically show you guys around my new place. So I just moved into a home. This is going to be the new shop space. MR2 is going to come home. Tools and a lot more videos coming your way because this is my space. I can do whatever I want with it, and this is the first time I've had this. I don't need to travel anywhere to do videos or do anything. I'm living out of an apartment besides working as a technician full-time and out of a couple friends' houses. I'm excited. It's nothing much right now. We need lighting, we need tools, we need insulation, heat for winter. I'm limited right now to one outlet or one receptacle and one light bulb. So obviously there's plans to change that. I have to upgrade the wiring on the house. So at the same time I'm going to be running a sub panel out. At the same time I'm going to be running a sub panel out to run power, lighting, LED lights, everything through here, along with get more outlets and power out here. So, with that being said, I'll give you the first tour of right now and some plans to do some stuff right now. So like I said, I am excited. We're gonna start over here, I guess. Entrance door. I still have some stuff out here from moving, but essentially what we're doing here is I have entry door, garage door. Obviously, I can shut the garage door. Garage door opener. I mean, that's always nice. So there's one light bulb right there. Bright light, and one light on the garage door opener. The other side doesn't work for whatever reason. So essentially what I got going on: blank wall, trash can. That do some storage above the garage door for miscellaneous things. Truck box is back here. I got some scrap to get rid of. Cat scratcher needs to go inside as soon as we figure out where we're putting stuff. Like I said, nothing's really sorted out here. I got a few tools here, and we gotta move stuff. So a couple windows there, and so we are 20 by 22. Not as big as I would like, but this is my home and it's my space. So it's definitely better than nothing. And so, basically in this corner, it's where the MR2 is gonna live and stuff. This is just a shelf the previous owner made. I'm gonna get rid of it, repurpose it. I might make a tire rack on the wall. This is a cabinet. It was just a junk cabinet I found on the side of the road. Probably last year, year before that. I actually had it in my kitchen in my apartment because there was no counter space in the apartment, so I carried it in. But now it's just the garage, essential little cabinet slash work surface. So with that, we got some tools here, some shelves we're gonna put up, tool bag, and my to-go tools that I had in the truck. Obviously just miscellaneous stuff. I've upgraded the whole house to LED lighting because it's better and it's cheaper. I'm trying to save money here. So, got my Snap-on thermometer out. My lawnmower I had to buy because I need to mow my lawn. So, I'm gonna get rid of that. We're gonna move this. I have some cubby storage, which I did put some stuff in, but they're not going to stay. I don't like where they're sitting. They have a garage door shelf up here. By garage door, it's a spare panel for the garage door, but I don't know what to do with it. So I'm definitely going to raise it, maybe use it as a shelf because it's level. That's one thing, It's right now they have it cockeyed, so whatever. Tires for the Traverse, storage box, other stuff that they left behind, paint and stuff to match the interior. Get some Mountain Dew banners, these are my drink of choice, bearings and stuff. Ooh, and here's the little dark cubby. So it comes in from the garage door, you come to this one, and there's a little dark area right now because I gotta get lighting and other stuff in here. But there is a old rickety workbench. Sorry about the darkness in here, but it's got an old school belt grinder and wire wheel. Comes down from electric motor down below. And with the exterior wall here. Alright, and then there is my one receptacle. Light switch. So my plan is to run a sub panel box right here and run power, everything I need to wherever I need. So that's the fun little tour. I got some stuff I'm gonna change out, and this is all mine and yours, because there's gonna be a lot more videos. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. There's gonna be a lot more uploads, a lot more space, a lot more time to do stuff, because I've cut travel time to nothing. I've just come home and videos. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked it, and be sure to check out the channel for a lot more.